Hey there, I've got a different type of video for you today. I teach in a lot of different places. That's kind of my thing. I am a diversified teacher. I like having the freedom to choose which platforms I'm going to use to teach on, what material I'm going to use. And so today I've got a little bit of a sneak peek. I'm going to pull back the curtain on some of my classes and show you what it looks like to teach lower level students, upper level students, intermediate level students, and show you some of the different ways that I use curriculums like Engoo and ESLPals, as well as different platforms like LiveBoard. I hope this is helpful for you, and if you're looking for more and you would like to see a different type of class, let me know. Leave it in the comments and I will try to get that for you. Enjoy. Awesome. Okay, well, Coco, we've got an interesting topic today that does have to do with competition, though it's not super athletic. So what do you think? Do you play chess?
Yeah, when I watch Harry Potter movies, it's cool that they can use voice to play real life chess.
Yeah, wizard chess. All right. So
Yeah,
do you
but
like
I
to
have
play
no
chess?
idea how to play it.
Okay. All right. Me either. So we're on the same page here. I don't really know how to play chess either. My kids really like to play chess. I'll say that. My kids really like to play chess. So I would like to learn. But take a look at the title here. Let's make some predictions. What are we going to read about?
Study. Air pollution may cause more chess mistakes.
So is this telling you, Coco, go study?
That's kind of weird.
It is kind of weird. Study means that there was a scientific study, like an experiment, carried out in order to study this. That's what it means. So what does the study tell us?
Tell us that chess mistakes increases because of air pollution.
Very good. All right.
There is air pollution, but it's not that serious compared to other places.
Yeah. So where are you thinking of? I'm thinking of like Beijing. I know some people who used to live in Beijing and they wore masks all the time just because the air pollution was so bad.
Because the air pollution is so serious there.
All right, so we've been talking about tournaments, right? Table tennis tournaments. Yeah. This is a chess tournament. But when we talk about playing chess, each turn is a move. So your move is what someone might say. All right, monitor. Can you check this one? Let's read this definition. Monitor.
To watch or check someone or something for a period of time.
Good. Do you monitor anything, Coco?
I monitor my homework.
Monitor your homework. You monitor your Google Classroom notifications.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. Run out. Good. What else? Level. Yeah. All right. I think we're set. Let's keep going. Go ahead.
Study. Air pollution may cause more chess mistakes. High levels of air pollution may cause top chess players to make more mistakes, according to a recent study. A team of researchers from the Netherlands and the US looked at the performance of chess players in more than 600 games between 2017 and 2019. All of the games took place during official tournaments in Germany, where the researchers were able to study more than 30,000 moves by 121 players.
Whoa. All right. So talk to me about this study. Whenever we look at scientific studies, it's really important to understand like who is studying it and where and how they set it up. So what do you know about this study so far?
The study so far, they're studying about a tournament that is held in Germany.
Okay, so everybody was in one place in Germany. Okay. Is there like, are they studying 5 people?
Nope. They are studying more than 121 players.
121 players. So when you think about a scientific study, do you think it's better to have more people or less people?
I think it's better to have more people so it will be more accurate.
Very good. Well said. Yeah, if you're only studying 5 people, maybe 2 of them are just bad chess players, right? Maybe they're just bad.
Yeah.
And they made mistakes that way, and it had nothing to do with the air quality. Very good.
Let's make the sounds. They are peas. Peas. They are peas.
They are peas.
Very good. Matty, what color are they?
They are green.
They are green. Can you show me where is something green? I have a tennis ball. What do you have? What is green? You have asparagus. I love it. What is it?
A mushroom.
It is. Matty, we have a choice here. It is a mushroom or it is an mushroom. What do you think?
A mushroom.
It is a mushroom. Why A?
I don't know.
All right. What does mushroom start with? What letter? What does this letter? What is this letter, I should say?
M.
M. Very good. When we have A, E, I, O, U, remember those? What are they called?
Vowels.
Vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Can you say it with me? A, E, I, O, U. Very good. ¿Se acuerda en español? Más vocales en español. Más vocales en español. A, E, I, O, U. There we go. So, A, E, I, O, U. One more time.
A, E, I, O, U.
Very good. I like your face. Awesome. So, when we have A, E, I, O, U, we use N. But not this time because we have M. Good. Close. Awesome. So, C-L. What sound do you hear there? So we're going to change this one to an A. Clap. Clap. Good. All right. How about this one where the girl has her hands up and she is... What is she doing? Remember this one? This one is cheer.
So that's a peek at some of my classes. I hope this is helpful for you. And if you've got any questions about the materials that I use or the platforms that I'm using, please check out the description below. I've got links to different tools and curriculums down there. I'll also leave my Quick Start Online Tutor Guide down there. That is a workbook that I created for online tutors who are looking to make sure that they've got all their ducks in a row before they onboard their students. It'll guide you through the process of onboarding, through pricing, scheduling, having a cancellation and refund policy in place, and also maintaining those relationships so that they last for years and years. I hope today was helpful, and I'll see you out there. Happy teaching!